Hi, so if you followed me on Instagram or my social media platforms, you probably already know that I'm a content marketer, and I even released a course teaching people how to use Instagram to market their business. I share daily marketing tips, I share all my knowledge, and I help various people with an Instagram audit and helping them to optimize their profile and to build a business on Instagram basically. I started my business profile in 2019, so it's been already like 2 years plus since I've had this profile, and I've grown it to about 1,800 followers. I'm not saying that I'm a big profile, I consider myself a very small and niche profile, and yet I got banned. Yesterday, about 24 hours ago, I was trying to open up my Instagram app and, as usual, check my messages, check on my clients' profiles, and I noticed something different. So this time, instead of straight away opening the app, Instagram showed me a screen that is asking me to verify my phone number. So I immediately went to key in my phone number, and then only I realized that this is something not usual and maybe I should be taking screenshots of this whole process. So that's what I did next. So of course, after I key in my phone number, they showed me this message, and basically for the next 24 hours I was looking at this same screen every time I tried to log into my account, which basically tells me that my account has been blocked by Instagram. I was not given a reason. I don't know why. What happened? I was not even posting anything for this whole past 1 week, and suddenly my account is banned. So yeah, I wasn't happy about it, but I know I'm not the only one. I have heard multiple people on the platform, even larger accounts with hundreds of thousands and millions of followers, getting banned by Instagram in this last 1 month. So I decided to wait. Everyone said that after the 24 hours you'll be able to verify your identity. So after 24 hours I went back to log into my Instagram, and they only allow me to lodge a complaint if I don't agree with their decision to deactivate my account, which I obviously don't agree. So the reason they told me my account was deactivated is for impersonating someone else. So how can I be impersonating myself? So first of all, my business account here on Instagram is linked with a Facebook page, which is my own Facebook page with my face, with all my details, and it's even a similar name. So I maintain the same family name. It's just Ellie versus Alexandra, which my original personal name is. That's my birth name. So I don't see what was the issue. How can they not verify that I'm a real person, and why do they just ban me? So to me, this is like a glitch in their system. I believe the AI went to wrongfully deactivate my business account for I don't know what reason, and it's really painful because I have been a supporter of Instagram as a business tool, as a marketing tools for years. I even have a YouTube channel where I'm teaching people how to use Instagram to market their business. And yes, I am really upset and disappointed. So moving forward, I am making this decision not to recommend Instagram for business to anyone. So if you are currently using Instagram to market your business, I think you need to be super careful. And moving forward, just take note that Instagram, it's a lousy company. They have zero or the worst customer service ever. If they ever decide to remove your account, they can just do so without giving you any explanation, and sometimes there's no way you can get it back. So I've seen a lot of people from the US, they were able to get their accounts back once they verified their identity. However, for myself, they only ask me what is my Instagram username, what's my email address linked with this username, and my country of current location. So I'm not even given the field to input something to verify my identity. So I'm not given a place to put my ID even if I wanted to. So I really don't know where this is headed. I don't know if I'm able to get my account back. I don't know how long it's going to take. Some people said it takes months. Some people said within 24 hours they were able to get their account. So yeah, I really don't know where this leaves me at this moment. I'm just sharing this out with you just to let you know that this is going on, and I'm not being disabled for any violation of policy. It just seems that they decided that I'm impersonating myself. So that's really sad, because number one, it hurts my reputation as a social media manager. As I mentioned before, I don't only use this profile to market myself. I'm using the linked Facebook page to market other social media profiles, other businesses. So I'm managing their Instagram profile, and this is making me look really bad, extremely bad, even though there's nothing that I did wrong. And it's just, yeah, it's an awful situation to go through. So I know that I'm not alone. So if this has happened to you, please share your experience. I know everyone has a different experience, and some of the terms that they mention are different. So for example, a lot of people, yes, they have the same situation as me. They were actually banned or deactivated their account because of impersonating issues. Others, they were violating a policy, and that's even worse, because once you are caught violating a policy, they will not tell you what you violated. I think the Instagram CEO and the Instagram for Business team needs to really reconsider their Instagram algorithm and all these banning issues that are happening right now. Even if after I post this video they are going to give me back my business account, a lot of damage has already been done. As of now, I've not been able to log into my Instagram account. I'm also having issues with the Facebook page that was linked with this account, because the Facebook page, it's still active. There's no issue. I can post on it. But whenever I try to schedule posts for my clients, there's a glitch there as well. Meaning the post will go live, but the caption won't appear, the hashtags won't appear, and it's just a mess. So I hope Instagram really looks into this issue, and if they can't fix it soon, a lot of people are going to leave this platform, including myself. I already have a presence on TikTok, I'm on Twitter, I am on YouTube here, and I really started to enjoy all these platforms more than Instagram. So that's all. I'll chat with you more in the comments. Let me know what are your thoughts on these banning issues, and yeah, see you in my next video.